All right, this is the June 29th, 2021 special meeting of the Montgomery Independent School Board of Trustees. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. All right. Are there any public comments? There are no public comments. At this time, we will go to closed session, and we will move to room 501 for the workshop. This is not closed session, excuse me. This is the public workshop for our hearing for our budget. Apologies on that. We will move to room 501. All right. The board is back in open session. The time is 5:31 p.m. on June 29th, 2021. Are there any motions?
Yes, I'd like to make a motion to accept the recommendation for the Director of Specialized Learning, and that would be Courtney Clover.
Is there a second? Mr. Dennison, second. All those in favor? Aye. Opposed and abstained? That motion carries. Congratulations and welcome, Ms. Clover. Are there any other motions?
I'll move to approve all other personnel decisions as recommended in closed session.
Is there a second? Mr. Hammond's second. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Opposed and abstained? That motion also carries. At this time, this workshop meeting is concluded.